Lightspeed Web Trader is a Microsoft Silverlight application that is accessible through any browser window and can run on any Windows, Mac, or Linux device. It will also run on Windows mobile devices. After credentials are entered and you've logged in, the default layout will load. Once customized layouts are built, you can save your layout. Even though Lightspeed Web Trader is browser-based, all settings, windows, colors, and overall layout are saved on the server side. This allows for your custom layout to load regardless of the computer used to log in. The first window we will look at is the equity order entry window. The order entry window provides pertinent real-time pricing information. It is also the window from which equity orders are placed. Once an order is set up, the pressing of the buy, sell, or short button will initiate a trade. Upon a trade being sent, your working orders will be reflected in the Open Orders tab. For example, here we will initiate a buy of 100 shares of Bank of America at a limit price of $11.50. You can immediately see this working in the Open Orders tab. Once in the Open Orders tab, the order will remain there until fully executed, or can be canceled from this window by selecting the Cancel button. This order will still be reflected in our Order History window. One of the most unique features of the Lightspeed Web Trader is the ability to nest windows. This means that users have the ability to add a window to another, therefore creating a new window with tabs across the bottom. For instance, when this Order History window opens, it is separate from other windows. If we right-click the top portion of the window and choose Dockable, we can now drag and drop this window over the window you'd like to nest it in. Having done that, we can see our Order History window among the other tabs in this window, thus saving screen real estate. We can also remove tabs by selecting the tab, dragging it away from the window, and dropping it. Featured next is the ability to link windows, as well as create different link groups. To start off, let's look back at the Equity Order Entry window. In the upper right-hand corner of the window, there's a drop-down with color-coded letters. Right now it is set to green. If we click the down arrow, we see 4 colors, each denoted with a letter. To link the Order Entry window to a chart, match both to the same color, in this case green. Now if we change the symbol, you can see the chart that is linked to the Order Entry window is now updated. Additionally, if we go to the watch list that is also linked to the green link group and double-click on a symbol, it will update the Order Entry window, chart, and any other windows linked to that color group. Next, the watch list. From this window, traders can create a list of up to 30 symbols that update dynamically, tick for tick, in real time. The columns in order that they appear are customizable and can be updated in the Properties window. Here, you find the appropriate window and you can add, remove, and change the order of the columns. From Properties, you can also enable order entry confirmations, adjust the candles of your chart window, and modify and customize colors. The platform allows for traders to open up to 5 charts at a time. The chart window also updates dynamically. By selecting Settings in the top of the chart window, you can adjust the symbol, duration, period, and max bars. We can see here a minute chart of the VIX that we can change to Tesla, day, candlestick, and select OK. Now we can view a minute intraday chart for Tesla Motors. The top list is a window that updates every 30 seconds and returns the top 30 symbols for each exchange, broken down by most active, gainers, losers, net change, or percentage gainer or loser. This is particularly useful to watch pre-market, as the most active typically have some sort of news or event related to them, providing you with a trading opportunity. The top list is also capable of linking to the color groups. The news window displays and scrolls financial headlines. Double-clicking will launch a new browser tab containing the full text of the story. News can be filtered by keyword or symbol. For example, bank will return results related to banks, and going forward, only stories related to banks will populate this list. The option chain window displays all option-related information for the underlying symbol. Once the chain is loaded, all available expirations will appear in tab format along the top of the window. A secondary grouping of tabs allow the users to view 10 strikes at a time. To place a trade, simply double-click on an option, which populates an option order entry ticket. From there, specify your price and select buy, sell, or short. Feel free to contact the trade support desk for more information.